Well, hi folks, today I'll just do a short video just showing you how to repot tomato seedlings and how to rescue them if they get a bit leggy like this. Now these are not particularly leggy, but they are slightly leggy, so I'll just show you how easy it is to bury the stem, get rid of the legginess and make sure that they grow away into really strong plants. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to remove these out of the pot, being as careful as I can, separate these into individual little plants. Trying to keep as much root on as possible. They only need a little bit of root to grow away. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab hold of the tiny little seed leaves as opposed to the stem. So then we end up with a little plant like so. So I'm just going to get my pot. Just fill that pot to the top. And then depending on how much soil you've got attached to your root, you can use a pencil, a little dibber, or when you've got quite a big lump attached, just use your finger, push a hole right down to the middle, and then drop your little seedling in, push it down, and you can bury most of the stem. You can bury it right up to the start of the true leaves if you like. So then that's buried about 2 inches of the stem. So what will happen now is roots will come off the stem, make it a stronger plant, so it's a little bit more sturdy. So it couldn't be easier. So there's no need to worry if your seedlings are a little bit leggy. There's a way around it. Again, I'm just going to push my finger right to the bottom, select another one of these plants, just holding on to the seed leaves, push that down to the bottom without try not to touch the stem because they can bruise quite easily. Give these a good watering in. So as you can see, from growing like that to that, it's a great difference, and it does really help them along. So again, just do another one. So you've no need to worry, like I said, if you do get leggy seedlings. You can do the same with cabbages as well, cucumbers, courgettes, anything like that, but especially tomatoes, they don't mind at all having the stem buried. So again, pop the little root ball in, push it down, fill it back up, give it a tap, and there we have it. So from leggy seedlings, you've got seedlings that now look pretty decent and grow away a lot better and they'll be a lot sturdier. So like I said, no need to worry about leggy seedlings. If you do this technique, you can absolutely fix them.